All right, we're going to pick up where we left off with joining our Google Trends data to our state data and then visualizing that data on a map of small multiples. In this case, we're only going to do 2 of the 8 small multiples just to give you an example of how we do that. So let's take a little look at the attribute table of this state's data. So we look in here and we see there's a state FP or FIP code. So that's a 2-digit code. Remember, for Maryland, that was 24. We have a couple different identifiers here. We have a GeoID, we have a state USPS, and we have name. I'm guessing that this name field is the one that we're going to be matching up to the region field within the CSV files that we added in. All right, I'm going to close that attribute table up. Always worth taking a quick look at our attribute tables just to see what we have in here. So it looks like we have decimal data from 0 to 1 for percentages and region. Now with this data, what we can see for Wyoming, for example, we could get away with just symbolizing one of these columns. For example, if we symbolize snow as anything greater than 50% snow would be something that people search more for snow. Anything below 50% snow would be where they searched more for rain, like South Carolina here, right? South Carolina searched more for snow than for rain. We could just symbolize this one column here to say anything below 50%, Tennessee and upwards, is going to be red, for example, and anything 50% and greater would be blue, for example. Let's close that up. Let's do our joins now. So we're going to go to our properties of our shapefile, and we're going to go to the joins tab, which is this one right over here. I can expand it to see this is joins. I'm now going to add 2 joins. You're going to add as many joins as you need to get your at least 8 Google Trends data. So we can do this without creating 8 different shapefiles. We can just have one shapefile that has all of the different attributes we need. Then we can change the symbology to match every time we add a map to our layout. That should become clear in just a little bit. All right, I'm going to add my rain, snow, GT, and my join field is going to be region, right, from my CSV table. And my target field is going to be name, that name field from my state shapefile. I'm going to click OK. I'm going to do that one more time for my Tesla versus electric region, and I'm looking for name. I'm going to click OK. And I'm going to click OK again. Now I'm going to open back up my attribute table, and if we make this a little bit bigger, what we can see here is we now have attributes for each of these states because we have that field in common. We have the rain, snow attribute, where for Alabama, for example, we have more rain searches than snow searches. And then we have our electric Tesla searches, where there's more electric searches than there are searches for Tesla. Awesome. I'm actually going to stop this video right now and record a new one for symbolizing our data. I'm going to save, and I'll see you in just a sec.